Gynel TV.
Hello. Hello, baby.
Yeah, hi.
How are you?
I'm fine. Your hair is too bushy.
Oh, why?
Yeah, you look a bit scary.
Oh, you are insulting me.
No, I'm not. But like, I'm just scared of your hair.
You are beautiful.
Thank you.
Wow.
You called me.
Yeah, my friend. Nati, yeah, Benny. No, my friend say.
Oh, I'm Osei. You can call me Gynel.
Wow.
Thank you.
Hey, where nice girl.
Yeah. Thank you. Actually, I came to visit my auntie.
Good afternoon.
So, good afternoon.
How are you doing? Not fine.
I'm fine.
Not fine, baby. Listen to me.
Please, can you be a bit snappy because I was going somewhere and you called me?
Baby,
Yeah.
you know, I love you. I love you too.
You don't know me, so you can love me.
If you see a person and is standing between you, you are not going.
Okay. What I heard was I should be going.
Yes.
Don't go, stand there.
Hey, you two don't go. Stand there.
Susuka.
Every of you.
Susuka.
Why,
Who's every of you?
Susuka.
What's happening? What's the problem?
This guy.
Yeah.
This
is my
guy.
enemy.
And this guy is my enemy.
Me, your enemy.
Yes.
Three girls is pregnant them. I want to pregnant you.
Oh, you don't mean it.
Hey,
You-
Susuka.
Every of you.
Pregnant
Susuka.
three
Every of you.
girls.
Susuka.
Every of you.
Tanaka. Huh?
Another one. The mother.
The mother?
This boy, the mother.
Yes.
The old mother.
Yes.
He sleep with the mother.
You sleep with your mother?
Yes, and the mother
This
is
is so
pregnant.
disgusting. Abomination.
Abomination.
Wow.
Susuka. Hey. Susuka.
Hey.
Please don't follow me. You are an abomination.
No, baby. Baby.
Baby.
Oh, please. What's the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of this?
What's the meaning of this?
What is the meaning of this?
And how is the meaning of this?
Please, you know something? I'm very new in the area and I don't want any...
Me, I love you.
Me too, I like you. What everyone is saying.
Oh,
Susuka.
Jesus Christ.
Every of you.
Susuka.
Every of you.
Do come on.
What's it doing? Come on.
Come on. Okay. Hey.
Like seriously, you can't do this anywhere. You can't do this.
You know this thing. You are a beautiful girl.
No, I gotta go back home.
We got to
okay.
go back home.
No, I can't just.
Ah,
imagine.
we can.
Mister, hey, now I don't. What's happening?
Susuka.
See. Remember.
Kanina.
Can you speak English?
Kanina.
Oh, maybe it's Come. Oh,
You guys are scaring me in the area
boy.
already. Yeah.
He's a really. Opa.
Oh, he smokes weed?
yeah, like every day.
Opa.
Every day 4 rows.
Has
They
he-
can't tell we are good. Man, for us to get there.
Susuka.
Is that why the hair is too bushy?
Yes.
Oh, he smokes weed.
Every day, I'm not too.
I
Hey,
can see you're
Susuka.
a good person. You're a good person.
Susuka.
But you know what I want to do? I just want to go home right now because you guys are scaring me. Especially him. The hair is too bushy.
And I'm good.
So I have to go. Please don't follow me, okay? Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Thank you. I have to go.
Just say. Hey, Susuka. Thank you. I love you.
Let's say.
Yeah.
Why, I need to be with you.
Ade.
And so, Maka. Nezi see me so manka.
Nurse.
Say, hey,
What kind of fana?
there be miss.
Can I tell? What's that?
Miss was in high crop.
Hey, Susuka. Hey, Susuka.
Gynel TV.